Child custody schedules by age in Texas. Understanding how child custody schedules work in Texas means more than just marking days on a calendar, it's about meeting your child's evolving needs. From infancy to the teenage years, children experience rapid growth and emotional development, and the law in Texas takes that into account. Tailoring custody arrangements to each stage of childhood can support healthier relationships and more stable routines, whether you're co-parenting after divorce or navigating custody as unmarried parents. Texas courts refer to custody as conservatorship. There are two types: joint managing conservatorship and sole managing conservatorship. Joint managing conservatorship allows both parents to share rights and duties, even if time is not split evenly. Courts tend to favor this arrangement as it encourages involvement from both parents. Sole managing conservatorship is reserved for situations where shared rights might not serve the child's best interest, such as when there is a history of violence or neglect. The court's priority is always the best interest of the child. If you're asking how custody schedules vary by age, the answer lies in the unique needs of each developmental stage. Infants need short, frequent visits that prioritize routines and comfort. Judges often order step-up plans that begin with a few hours of contact and increase over time, eventually transitioning to the standard possession order when the child turns 3. Toddlers still thrive on routine, but benefit from longer visits and consistent caregiving. Preschoolers need structure but are beginning to explore the world socially, so time with both parents and activities like daycare are often included. For elementary-aged children, custody schedules must account for school, holidays, and extracurriculars. Regular communication between parents is key to making this work. Adolescents and teens, however, need flexibility and a voice in the process. In Texas, children aged 12 and older have the right to express a preference in custody arrangements if requested by one of the parties. That input isn't final but does carry weight. The process of developing or modifying a custody plan in Texas can be complex. A parenting plan that works for a toddler may not fit a preteen with after-school activities. That's why step-up plans are so effective. They gradually build up the non-custodial parent's time based on conditions like attending counseling or maintaining a stable lifestyle. Judges consider multiple factors, such as the child's health, the parent's willingness to co-parent, and the presence of siblings during visits. A knowledgeable attorney can help convert your child's daily patterns into a strong legal strategy. Whether you're considering a 2-2-3 rotation for consistency or a 90-10 split due to travel or work commitments, every schedule must be built around what's best for the child. Some parents start with short weekday visits and work up to weekends. Others rotate holidays and summer vacations to keep both homes involved. The most effective plans are the ones that grow with your child, balancing predictability with flexibility. If you're unsure how to create or revise a child custody schedule that truly reflects your child's needs, the law office of Whitney L. Thompson, PLLC can help. Our law firm understands how critical each stage of childhood is and works closely with you to develop a plan that's both practical and legally sound. Speak with an attorney who knows the law and how to make it work for your family. A skilled lawyer from our team can guide you through the process and represent your interests both in court and during negotiations. To take the next step, contact the law office of Whitney L. Thompson, PLLC at 281-214-0173. We're located at 4201 Farm to Market 1960 Road West, Suite 360, Box #116B, Houston, Texas 77068. Let our law firm help you build a custody plan that supports your child at every age.